Think simply. Weld smarter with the Millermatic 255, solving problems that reduce productivity, like difficult-to-use machines that cause downtime. The Millermatic 255 has a simple user interface that's easy for welders of all skill levels. It cuts setup and changeover time by 40%. With other machines, trial and error is the only way to find the right weld parameters, which wastes time and causes rework. With Auto Set Elite, the Millermatic 255 makes it easy for any welder to select the right parameters. Spatter is a problem with many machines. Applying anti-spatter chemicals before welding and grinding off spatter afterward are tedious, non-productive tasks. The Millermatic 255 has pulsed MIG to minimize spatter, so welders can spend less time dealing with it. On other machines, switching from one weld task to another means walking to and from the control panel. It wastes time. With its optional Easy Select gun, the Millermatic 255 lets welders change programs with the touch of a button, so they're more productive. Large welding machines take up valuable space, making it harder to work. The Millermatic 255 is smaller than most other machines in its class, so there's more room to weld and weld efficiently. The Millermatic 255. Think simply, weld smarter.